Okay, so let's do it. Yeah, so made a video, but anyway, doesn't matter. Yep. So using a recorder, a free one that doesn't record game audio, so you guys won't hear game audio, but it doesn't really matter. I improved my deck a little bit after doing more research and fighting against higher skill players who fucking can just go first or even negate me like crazy with hand traps and trap cards, and there are trap cards that you can just play like from the hand basically, which is pretty crazy these days. This loading screen taking forever, huh? Okay, it's working now. Anyway, so let's see what happened. So I improved my deck a little bit, and then let's find out what happened. So yep, got some good stuff. Brand Retribution, Evenly Match. Brand Retribution is a new card added in my deck, which I found really nice. It's able to negate, kind of like a hand trap, kind of like Ash, but it's able to negate. It negates any special summon basically. But the cost is obviously you have to return a face-up fusion monster I control, or 2 fusion monsters in the graveyard, which is not easy to do it. But yeah, branded opening. I use branded opening and able to send Imp there, so I can get my fur patchment here, and also got Aliber out, so that way I can get branded fusion. So the brand opening is pretty cool. Yep, got rid of that card. Got rid of Desmond Tragedy. Obviously, this part is pretty simple, pretty generic, just like the combo. Yep, got Aleptum. And got that guy back, and then Mary J's out. Pretty simple so far. Set 2 cards down, so yeah. So here we got they got the Pot of Avarice. Yeah. Yep, negate it. So yeah, he tried to activate his effect, and I was like, nah, you can't summon crap. I want to negate your ass. Because once they summon one monster, they're gonna summon like 10 monsters, and they try to summon their monster basically. And my turn again. Yep, patchment again. So this time to say no fusion summoning this turn for me, which is okay, I guess. Not really. I wanted more, but obviously can't. And then attack, and then he decided to destroy my monster. And I was like, before you do that, I'm gonna try banish your monster you're attacking. And then he tries special summon again, and I was like, nah, no special summon. Branded Retribution worked out, and then obviously I returned my Jade Dragon back to my deck. So that way, it's going to get destroyed anyway. I could let it go to graveyard and use this in effect and destroy this monster, but, again, I'm banishing it anyway, so it doesn't matter. So, yep. So, boom, gone. That card is okay, I guess. I mean, there's cards with Mirror Force in this game, so yeah, that card also destroyed my second card, which was, I forgot what it was. It's evenly matched. It's not that bad. Yeah. Evenly matched is not that essential. So that, to be honest, only that turn already showed the growth of my deck and how it's able to negate so well. And here they do that, and I was like, okay, sure. But I got my branded fusion back. And then after he saw I got my branded fusion back and how I'm gonna just fuse, I guess he has nothing left for him. That's why he decided to resign, to surrender. Yeah, resign, surrender, same thing. But yeah, good game overall. Definitely my deck has improved with more counters. Basically, playing Desmond is it's good, obviously, meta deck, but it's still not the best per se. Yeah, my deck, at least my deck. The Exodia deck I made from another account it's pretty nice.